Here's how to delete all color tags on a Mac. So you can do this real easily with a quick shortcut key. If you have all these color tags here, you can add them to folders just by holding Control on your keyboard and then pressing any of the number keys, 1 through 7, to add different color tags to your folders. To remove them, it can be kind of tedious to come in here and right click and check off one of these and then get another one like that. So really, you can just press that Control key again and 0. That will remove all tags from any folders that you have selected. So you could hold Shift and click between two folders to select between them, hold Control and then press 0, and that will remove all the tags from those items. You can also add tags pretty quickly. So maybe I want to press Control 3 and add a yellow tag to all of these. So that's how you can add and remove tags with shortcut keys on Mac.